Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to efficiently use the AI theme editor in your Shopify store to craft compelling and customized text for your online shop. Mastering this tool can be a game changer, allowing you to automate content creation and maintain a consistent brand voice throughout your site. Whether you're running a small shop or scaling your business, this feature can save you a lot of time while keeping your content fresh and engaging. First, let's jump into accessing the AI theme editor. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your store, so if you're not already familiar, take a moment to explore its features. You'll be able to manage everything here, from your products to your analytics. Within this dashboard, navigate to the online store section and head over to Themes. This is where your current theme resides, along with any others you might have experimented with. If you're running a new store, this will likely be your first time here, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Once you find the theme you want to enhance, click on Customize. This will direct you to the theme editor, a space where you can fine-tune the visual and textual details of your store. The theme editor gives you the flexibility to adjust your layout, colors, and fonts, as well as the content that appears on each page. As you explore, keep an eye out for icons indicating AI-powered text generation options. These symbols, often resembling a magic wand, will be your gateway to leveraging the power of AI in editing, helping you quickly generate tailored content without the need for hours of writing. Next, it's time to generate text with AI, bringing a touch of innovation to your content writing. Start by identifying the specific text section you want to populate. Common areas include product descriptions, banner text, or even your mission statement. For example, if you're adding a new product, the AI can generate descriptions that highlight the product's key features and benefits, saving you time and effort. Once you've pinpointed the section, click on the option to generate text using AI. This is where the magic happens. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter keywords relevant to the content you're crafting. Think carefully about these keywords, as they serve as the cornerstone of the generated content. For instance, if you're introducing a new product, you might use keywords like eco-friendly, sustainable, or premium quality to help guide the AI in creating the perfect description. These keywords help the AI understand what you're aiming to convey, whether it's a unique selling point or a brand value. Furthermore, you'll select a tone for your text. Options here might range from professional to friendly, playful, or concise, depending on the message you wish to convey. You can even tailor the tone to match specific sections of your site. For example, a more playful tone for a product page and a professional tone for an About Us page. Now that your text is generated, it's time to review and refine it. The Shopify Magic AI will craft text quickly, but it's essential to ensure it reflects your brand's voice and message. As you review, read carefully and consider how well it aligns with your desired tone and the information you want to communicate to your audience. The AI is a great starting point, but it's important to ensure the text feels authentic to your brand. You have the freedom to edit and refine this text. Don't hesitate to make small tweaks, add specific details, or even mix and match elements from different suggestions if that suits your needs. Your goal is to create content that's not only accurate, but also engaging and on-brand. If you're ever unsure about a phrase or word choice, feel free to rewrite or adjust it to make it sound more like your business. Once you're satisfied with the edits and the text fits perfectly with your store's voice, remember to save your changes in the theme editor to ensure all your hard work is retained. This is a crucial step. If you don't save, the changes won't be reflected on your live site. By following these steps, you've used Shopify's AI tools to effectively streamline and enhance your store's content, setting the stage for an improved customer experience. This can help make your online store feel more polished and professional, attracting customers with copy that speaks to them directly and resonates with your brand. Plus, the time saved on writing and editing allows you to focus more on other key areas of your business, like marketing or customer service. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts. I'd love to hear how you're using the AI theme editor in your store. Stay tuned for more Shopify tips and tutorials to help you grow your business.